Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video, and thank you so much to this company for sending me on over this 20+3 gel polish kit. So on this particular kit we have a base coat, a top coat, and a matte top coat along with 20 gel polishes, which is absolutely amazing. So here I'm just going to briefly show you every single gel polish that it incorporates along with the matte top and base, and everything is 5 ml. That's the size of each individual bottle. I really liked the packaging. I thought it was really cute and just elegant. It was simple, and I like how on top it has the color of the gel polishes along with the number, so it is numbered from like 1 through and beyond. I'm not 100% sure up to what number, but here I'm just going to clearly show you every color. I hope you guys can visibly see it, and the colors were really beautiful and pigmented. Honestly, for a white, I use the white as like a background for a main reason. Usually with whites you could see how pigmented and how great quality a gel polish is, and this one was really good. I had no complaints. I thought it was really good, just that sometimes the brush you gotta manage the brush a little bit well, but other than that I felt like everything was great quality, very pigmented. For the price, you just can't go wrong, and I like how you get a little bit of everything, especially if you're doing your manicures at home or you're starting off or you just want to add something to your collection. I would definitely recommend this brand and these gel polishes. It's just, you can never have enough, and it's always nice to add more onto your gel polish palette. That's what I like to call it. I feel like there's just so many different colors that you can add to your collection or just mix together, which is the really fun part about it and where your creativity really can come in. But I'm just about to tell you guys some helpful tips that can really help you when you are doing your manicure or just any set that includes gel polish, whether it's like for designs or just for the set itself. Just always remember that that nail prep is really important. The nail preparation here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick nail preparation. Let me know if you guys enjoy seeing the nail prep often or not really, but I always like to incorporate it just for those who haven't seen my videos in the past or are new to my channel. Yeah, it's really important. If your nails are really long, for example, remember to use a nail clipper, and also gently push back your cuticles as I'm doing here. And also, if you have a lot of dead skin around, make sure you use the opposite end of your cuticle pusher and trim that away and remove it. Also remove the extra cuticles with a cuticle trimmer, which is exactly what I'm doing here. And don't forget to file and shape the nails. So next we're going to be moving on to the following step of the tutorial, but thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. And let me know if you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions. Do you guys like the way that I created this video? Let me know what you guys want to see. I do want to incorporate more nail sets on this channel, especially since I have a lot of PR that I'm backed up on, and also I know I don't really do a lot of nail sets and I don't really create a lot of nail sets. I usually stick to doing nail hauls or organized with me videos, so I definitely wanted to incorporate more of my creativity on this channel. So thank you guys so much for sticking by. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're an OG, I really appreciate you. Thank you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So the next step is removing the shine off the surface of each individual nail bed. Right now I am loving the Melody Susie drill, this one in particular. I love it, absolutely love it, and I love that you don't have to have it plugged in the wall. So this is definitely one of my top favorites at the moment. So thank you so much, Melody Susie, for sending this on over. I haven't done an in-depth video on this because I really wanted to take my time and use it for a while and really give you my raw opinion on this particular nail drill, because they are a little bit more, not that it's compared to like obviously other drills, it's not expensive, but I just want to give my honest opinion on this. So I have used it more than like 6 or 7 times and I absolutely love it. So definitely recommend this drill, and I will have in the near future in-depth video in regards to the nail drill. But here I am just going in and knocking 2 birds with 1 stone. I am going in and removing the shine off the nail bed and cleaning the cuticle area as well. So here I'm just using a fine sanding band. Absolutely loved it. The machine is probably on like maybe from 5 through 7,000 RPM. I don't put it really rough or anything, just very gentle and very light. And then we're gonna move on to applying my peel off coat. This is the UNT peel off coat. I did purchase this, actually my sister gave me this like a year ago. She told me she purchased it through Amazon. I'm not 100% sure if it's still available, but they do have other peel off coats on Amazon or in other sites, but this is used for practicing or if I want to remove the nails right away or just want to keep them on for like a day or two. So for video purposes, I will be incorporating that. Then we have I think it's called Nat's Cat brand of soft gel full coverage nails. These are in, what is the name of these? These are in long, I believe. So these are in long square and they bring 500 pieces. I absolutely fell in love with these. I really love them. So I did purchase the glue that comes with this, but I couldn't find, not that I couldn't find it, I just have so many packages that I just went with what was near me. So I did go ahead and apply this with the Madam Glam base coat, and I do have a discount code JennieG30 for 30% off. If you guys are interested, that is one brand that I recommend to the T. So yeah, here I'm just picking out my sizes, and now I'm going in and I'm gonna pre-etch them from the inside, and this is really good for better adhesion. I definitely recommend it. Just grab either a nail drill, and if you don't want to, you can always use a nail file. So I'm just pre-etching them inside really quickly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the base coat and adhere them in that manner. So that is what I'm doing here. And you guys will quickly see me just going and speeding through this. And yeah, I absolutely love this method. Let me know if you guys enjoy doing your nails in this particular method or not. I definitely love to. So yeah, here I'm just going in, and base coat is definitely my go-to when it comes to glue. Like gluing nails, it has to be that, and it lasts literally as long as you desire. If you do the proper prep, it will last you as long as you want, which is what I love. So this is what the nails look like. I love the shape, but I had to just shape them a little bit more, just my personal preference, but the shape is definitely on point. So yeah, here I'm just going in and shaping them. So after I was done doing the step before this one, I'm just going in and applying this buffer onto all the nails, and I'm going in and smoothing everything out. This is really important for when you apply your base coat. It's not lumpy or anything like that, so don't forget to do this step. And by the way, I literally had to somehow maneuver this particular video into from like an hour and 30 minutes of footage to like 19 minutes. That's why I tried to speed up a lot of the clips, because if not, it would have been way too long. And I just don't want to make such long videos because I don't know if people will get bored, even though some people in the comments said that they love my videos and they'll watch it no matter how long it is. So that was really sweet. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So yeah, I definitely had to condense this video from an hour and 30 minutes to 19 minutes or so. But yeah, here I'm just gonna go in and apply the base coat from the kit, and I believe this brand is called MEFA. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, this armrest definitely has helped. You know, it gives you a little bit of height for you to be more comfortable in applying your products onto the nails. But yeah, here, that is what I am doing. And here I'm just curing for 60 seconds, and now we're gonna go on, and you guys are gonna see me here choose the colors of my liking. I did choose a variety of colors, and the reason behind that is because I will be doing marble nails. I love the style, and I love just marbling nails. Like, that is my all-time favorite. I love marble nails. Definitely my favorite design to do on nails. So here I'm just grabbing a couple colors, and then I'm going in with my the base color that I'm going with is white. And here you guys are gonna just quickly see me apply the color onto all the nails, and then I'm gonna go in and apply the rest of the colors. But I will be using a blossoming gel. I mean, companies call it different things depending on what brand you're purchasing it from. I did purchase it from Emily, I believe it's called, from Amazon, and it's called Clear Blossoming or Blossoming Clear. I'm not 100% what they call it, I'm not sure, but you guys will see, and I absolutely love it. I recommend it. I did purchase it through Amazon. But yeah, here I'm just quickly painting my nails with the white as a base because I wanted the color to be very bright and radiant when I did the marbleizing on them. So if you guys don't have any blooming gel, that is not an issue. You guys could definitely use base coat as well, but me personally, I enjoy using my blooming gel. So that is what you guys will see me use. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating these videos. I have tried my best to improve the quality, the lighting. It's not 100% like the best, but it definitely does look better than before. It's just that the aesthetic of my apartment is very dark. Like, I have dark brown wood floors. The walls are like bluish grayish. So it's just like, it's very dark, the aesthetic of it all. So it's really hard to get good lighting in here. I definitely do try my best. This is what the gel polish looks like after 2 coats. It definitely looks bomb. So it's actually called Blossom Clear. That's what they call it, from the brand Emily. It's honestly really good and inexpensive as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the nail, as you guys are seeing here. Sorry, I was a little bit off frame. But then I'm just going to apply some dots of the different colors that I chose of my liking, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab just a random brush that I have, like a nail art brush, and marbleize it to my liking. It's literally that simple and that easy. And don't forget to clean up the edges because you don't want to lose the shape. You could easily lose the shape marbleizing or doing things with Blossom Gel, so just be really aware of that and constantly be cleaning before you go ahead and cure under the lamp. So now after I am done placing the colors where I want, you guys are going to see me here with this brush, just marbleizing it literally randomly, nothing specific, no particular direction, just marbleizing it to my liking, and then cleaning up the edges, the cuticle, because it does tend to flood, and then curing it once the nail is to my liking. So here I'm just going to quickly show you little clips of me doing this. I just don't know if I want to be so repetitive in my content, because I know some people easily get bored of that, saying the same thing over and over. So it's kind of hard meeting in the middle. Me personally, I love seeing the entire process, but I don't know if everybody does, so I'm just trying to meet in the middle. So sometimes things are going to be sped up on the video, sometimes you're just going to see little clips of it. But yeah, I really love this particular style of nails. Like I mentioned earlier, I think it's really beautiful, and you could literally create whatever you like. You could have definitely added charms to this particular set, but me, I just wanted to embrace the marble that I had created. So yeah, I'm just gonna allow you guys to finish enjoying the rest of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process of me marbleizing the nails. Here I am on my last nail on the pinky finger, so that is exciting. And now next I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final results after it is all done. This is what they look like. Let me know what you guys think. I thought they looked very pretty, but I felt like this set would have looked a lot better if it was longer, but that is definitely okay. Next I'm going in and I decided to use the matte top coat from the gel polish kit. So here I'm just gonna go in and apply some matte top coat to all the nails. I felt like it would definitely bring out more of the marbleization that I had done, so I decided to go with a matte top coat. And honestly, I have really good thoughts about this matte top coat, and the reason being is because it is not streaky. Usually what happens with matte top coats is that you will see the lines after you've cured it. I did not see any lines, therefore this is a really good matte top coat. It was solid and it did its job. So definitely thumbs up for that top coat. The matte one was excellent. So yeah, overall I really like this nail kit. It's very inexpensive. It has all the colors, and I love how it incorporates a matte top coat, a top coat, and a base coat. So you have everything you need here to create nails at home to your desired and liking. I also really appreciated how the colors were very pigmented. They worked very well together. They weren't streaky. So overall, I definitely recommend these. And yeah, now we're gonna move on over to some cuticle oil. This one is from Couture. It smells so good. Absolutely love it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed, and to continue to make content like this. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell to never miss out on any uploads. So this is how the nails turned out. These are the final results. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much once again. And if you guys hear snoring, that is my dog. I feel like I have to make so much comments in regards to him throughout the video, but he's just always by my side. But yeah, thank you guys so much once again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.